I need you to sign it, please. Okay, I'm so sorry. Please just sign it.
All right. All right. Oh. No, that doesn't make sense. What did I do?
Dr. Neil didn't love your, popcorn towers.
Huh, fuck him. I was trying to be nice.
Really? Out of the goodness of your heart, you thought, that demented billionaire would love Cracker Jack. I'm gonna do it.
What's wrong with that?
Everything.
Lisa, you weren't helping me with my bribe money, and I thought Jack would put in a word.
Oh, God.
Did you ask Dr. Neil for more speaker money?
What's wrong with you?
It's the least you could do. What's it to him?
No, what's it to me? What is it to me? I put my fucking neck out to get you this job and you embarrassed me.
You embarrass yourself.
Really? I fucked the boss in front of the whole company?
Don't be nasty to me.
I'm not being nasty.
I'm the only person in your life, Lisa, the only one in your life who's stuck by you. And when everyone else says, crazy Lisa, do it again, I had my tongue.
Did you?
I said,
You thought I was a loser too.
no!
And you just lied about it. Is this your big fucking triumph as a mum? Good for you.
No, I'm saying I stood by you. I gave my life for you girls.
Mum, come on. You gave us to Mimo and Pop-Up so you could cruise the Intercoastal with the fucking dude of the week. Come on, give me a break. You know you did it.
When did you become an ingrate?
Oh, God.
You would have none of this if it wasn't for me.
You know what? Okay. You want to name one thing you ever taught me besides, hey Lisa, get your ass hitched young and squeeze out a kid so he won't leave you. Name one thing you ever did for me. One.
I made you a survivor.
I survived you, Mum. I am here because of me.